In this episode, I'm going to show you how I'm going to install this awning on the west side of my porch, because when the sun goes west, then hits directly into the porch and it's very hot, so I need to do some cover. So I came up to the decision to buy this type of awning. This color match was the closest to the roof that I could find. It should be very easy to install. It is 3 meters long and 2 meters wide. It can be tilted as well. And in the previous episode, you could see how I built the glass wall from the 4 glasses that are moving from one side to the other. And it is working very well. And last week I covered chimney with a decorative stone. And I made a hole for the furnace because I'm gonna put here some nice furnace to warm up the place in the winter. And now it's time to install this awning. I was wondering to install above glass wall, but here is not possible because I don't have enough space because of the lights. So I can install it only on the first timber beam. And there are 2 options. I can install it below or on the outside of timber beam. We have 2 carriers that are going like this, and these can be mounted from the top and from the side. So I'm going to be making the holes on the side of the first timber beam, and I have here bolts and nuts. So this will go through the timber beam and it will be strong enough. But there is one problem. It is very hard to reach there because of the roof. How I'm going to install it? Let's find out. Here I have 4 glasses. Each can be moved from one side to another, so it can be totally open or totally closed. So I'm gonna be adjusting it right now as I need it to. Yes, finally, of course, I'm going to be using this lifting platform. This lifting platform I purchased last year in a very neglected condition, and I completely restored it. And you can check the restoration in 2 of my videos on the channel. And I'm gonna finally use it now. Perfect. Yes. I don't like it. It's too fucking short. And now due to the mounting, I can clearly see that a 4 meter would be perfect match. And this is perfect now. And this is it for this video. It turned out very nice and I'm very happy about it. And see you all in the next one.